Hey wonderful friends, this is Dedy Ti'en, author of Empower Yourself. Welcome to this empowerment series. Now in this episode I'm going to share with you this one habit that predicts your future success, your success. Now to know or to predict your future, all you need to do is to look what you are doing in the current present moment. So that is the key. So this one habit will help you to be certain, to absolutely certain about what you will get in the future. And that one habit is this: your daily learning. That's it. The marketplace or the world only rewards you what you give into it. The more that you learn, the more that you earn, the more that you increase your self-worth, the more that you increase your knowledge, the more that you will serve. And as a result of you serve more people, you get more reward. And that's the definition, one could say, success, or whatever that your definition of success is. Yeah? For me, the definition of success is someone that can serve mankind with his knowledge, with his skills, with his presence. You know, if his presence is empowering others, then that's the definition of success. For me, success is not having this or that. It's mean nothing. But for me, success is the impact, yeah, that you give, the influence, you see. And that's through your ability, your skills, you know, and it's only through your daily habits of learning. So, my friend, I would highly recommend you to schedule at least 45 minutes. 45 minutes daily. You know, so you would say, oh, no, Daddy, I'm a really busy guy. I'm a very busy girl, and I cannot do that. You know, my friend, if you make excuses, you get the chance to keep it. So I won't, you know, convince you otherwise. If you say that, then go ahead. But one thing I know, this is I've learned from Warren Buffett, is that the more you learn, the more you earn. Warren Buffett spends 8 hours a day. 8 hours a day. Read. He reads 8 hours a day, and average person would rather die than spend 8 hours read. No wonder they are average. So if you want to be an average girl and boy or man or guy, then go ahead. But for me, I want to learn. I want to implement my daily learning because I want to grow myself, because growth equals happiness. So there you go, to predict your future success, happiness, prosperity. Yeah, you definitely want to cultivate and install this one habit, and that is daily learning. And I highly recommend you guys to start now. If you watch this video, that means you already started, so good on you. Good on you. However, my friend, again, I highly encourage you to go out there and schedule it, okay? You don't have to go out, you just stay where you are, just schedule the daily learning, like schedule it now and start it, begin it now. All right, I trust you gain some value out of this. And if you want more value, you can go to my website, www.dedytien.com, to read articles, to watch videos. And also I give away my book called The Changemakers Manifesto. It's a limited time only though. And in the book, you know, I help people to gain mental clarity, to map out what they want out of life, to discover their values, you know, to create a vision and so forth. You know, and because I believe that your value determines your future, or determines the outcome. Yeah, your destiny. So to know your values is so crucial. To know where you're going in life is also so crucial. That's why I created this Changemakers Manifesto, to help you to manifest anything that you want in life. So go to my website, www.dedytien.com, to download the free digital book. So thank you very much for watching this video. I trust you gain some value out of this, and I highly also recommend you to share it with your friends and family if you find this video valuable. Thank you guys, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.